Welcome to day 7, creating pages and posts. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to create your website pages and how to create blog posts. I'm going to start with blog posts, then I'm going to touch pages briefly because tomorrow we're going deep into Elementor and we'll be using Elementor to build our pages majorly. So we're just going to talk a little bit about pages, but I'm going to show you how to create blog posts here. How to create your pages and blog posts. So I'm going to log into my WordPress dashboard here, and to create a blog post, I'm going to go to post here. See, first I'm going to view all posts. To actually create a new post, you can just come here and straight and add a new post. But I want to show you something. So I clicked on all posts. This is the default post we always have with WordPress. You can go into it, click here and edit. You can have a quick edit. So probably change the title, change the slug, set a password for it to make it a private post so that only people with the password will be able to access the post. Add tags, then decide the categories you want it to be. So I'm just going to cancel. Then you can actually edit the main post. If you click on edit here, so you can actually edit the content of the post from here. To create our new post, I can either come here, click on add new, or from the post menu here, click on add new from here. So either of the two works the same way. So I'm just going to come here, click on add new. I'm going to add the title of my post here. So I already created a blog post, so I'm just going to copy and paste here. So we are using the classic editor. So you can edit your post with page layer, which was a default page builder that came with the theme. And you can also use Elementor, but I'm just going to create a normal post using the WordPress default. So the title of the post, 5 most important skills you must develop to become a better person. The reflective skill of self-assessment. I'm going to make this an headline, an heading type 1. And then this also, I'm going to make it all heading type 1, all the headings. It's an interesting blog post. I think you should read it also. So for this is actually a link. I want to put a link to the landing page. The landing page of the web design challenge. I'm going to come here, this button here, click on it, and I'll be able to post my link in here. Click enter. I want it to be in the center of the post, so this is for alignment, left, right, center. And the final thoughts, I want it to be H1 also. All right. So this is where you come in for your settings. Do you want to make your post public or private? You can click here, you see, you can protect it with your password, make it private, make it public. So you want to stick this post to the front page, yes. And click on OK. Publish. When you want to publish, you can schedule the time or you can publish it immediately. If you click on edit, you'll be able to schedule the time, either backdate it or schedule it for the future. The status draft, you can change it to pending view, but once you published, it turns to publish. So category, I'm going to click on add new and add skills challenge. Yes, it's a parent category. So now I have that category. You can create as many categories as you want, so that this category can actually be used to filter through your blog contents. And we have tags. We're just going to add skills, challenge, self-development, leadership, discipline, what else can I add? Mindfulness, curiosity, project management, mindfulness, curiosity, project management, and so on. I'm just going to add these tags for now. The templates, post attribute, default is always creative. We have Elementor, Canva, Elementor, full width. But since we are not going into Elementor yet, that's for tomorrow. I'll just leave it at default templates. Post settings, customizer settings, and change this if you want, but I would like to leave this as it is with the default. I'm going to select a featured image. This is the image that will be at the top of the post, or that will be shown when the link of the post is shared on any device or social media platform. I'm going to set featured image. So as you can see, I only have the image I've added recently, the logo. I'm going to come to upload and select a new file. So yes, this interesting picture. Don't forget alternate text. It should be hide most important skills must learn to person. And description, I can just say these are the most important skills. So featured image is set. Now I can go into my SEO settings. So this is what it's going to be like on mobile, and this is what it's going to look like on desktop. I'm going to decide my focus key phrase here, and I have two words in mind. I'm thinking skills, and at the same time I'm thinking become better, but I'm going to go with become better. And let's go into this and editor snippet. For snippet, I'm just going to copy the final thoughts and use that as my meta description. It's too long though, so I want it to turn green. This bar that is orange, I want it to turn green. Come here. If you want to learn more about SEO, search engine optimization, you should take my course on SEO. It's on Udemy and it's free. It's called Search Engine Tips and Tricks, how to make search engine work for you. It's free and it's on Udemy. You can try that out. So I'm trying to also have a green here. So let me leave it at create space for, so that people can wonder what they are creating space for. But I have my better person, which I want. So I want my better person to be in the meta description. I want it to be in the slug. I want it to be in the headline, and I want it to be somewhere around here too. Okay, so I have it here. Yeah, better, good. So all these are just SEO tips and tricks, you see. Now my SEO, my Yoast SEO just turned green. So it means I actually have a good SEO ranking now. See, I have green. So, like I said, want to learn more about SEO, visit Udemy, search for Charles Adetola. You'll see my SEO course. It's free, you can take it. So we've created our post. So this, if I want to make something bold, I can use this. For instance, and highlight this, make it bold. Then this is for, I want to add read more. Okay. I don't need that now actually. So then we have different paragraph lines here. So I'm going to do something here. I'm going to change this to my heading 1. I'm going to make all these heading 2 to improve my readability score. So for my final thoughts, I'm going to just have something. Final thoughts on skills you must develop to become a better person. Because I just want my better become and better to actually show in one of the headlines. Yeah. So, and just like that, if I want to add images, I just come here and add media. Let me add this image again. So from add media, you can add anything. And that's all. We have our post set up, and I'm just going to come and click on publish. Our post is live. We can click here to view our post or visit the page, visit our website. See, we have a recent blog post here. 5 most important skills you must develop to become a better person. Let's see what it looks like, and there we go. So this is here because we added it as a feature image. So this is where the featured image is going to appear at the top of the post. And this is the other one I added inside the post itself. So that's our blog post. Yeah, see our tags here. Then remember our social media plugin that we installed. That's why we have this. Actually set this as the number of fake shares. You can check that all in the settings. So comments. If you're actually watching this training right now, I would advise you go read the article and drop your comments here. I'm going to read through. So that is that on post, and you can always come to all posts, visit all posts, and edit anything. So see, you can always come here and edit also. So for our pages, it's the same process. You can come here, but let's first of all go to all pages. These are the ones we created when discussing the structure of our website in our menu. So these I'm just going to go into edit contact. I'm going to edit the contact page. I want to add that particular form we created. So we're just going to come here and write something like to here. Sorry. Here. So I want that to be centralized, so I'm going to click here. And I want it to be heading, maybe heading 1, yeah. And I'm going to come here, see, add form. I'm going to come there. When I click on add form, I'll be able to select the forms that I have. Remember, we have just one form, which is contact us. If we have other forms, it's going to be listed here. So I'm going to select contact us. And do I want the form name to show? Do I want the form description to show? I'm not sure we set any of this. I'm just going to just ignore that and click on add form. So remember, this is the form. I want the form to actually be at the center of the page also. So I'm going to centralize it. So I'm going to click on updates. And I want to see what the page looks like. So I'm going to click on page view here. So here's what it looks like. We'd like to hear from you. We have name, we have last name, your email. Remember what we're setting up this. So you select your location, you write your message, and you click on submit. So we have our contact page. So we might still probably tweak this a little tomorrow, and majorly we're going to work on our main page, which is our home page. This particular page you're seeing here, the first page people see when they visit the website, and we're going to work on this take a challenge page also. Then we might have to reorganize this later. So basically, that's how to create your blog post and create pages. Let me go back to the dashboard and show you something. So to add a new page, just come to your pages also and click on add new. So probably you want to have, like I said, different pages for different services or different pages for different reasons. Click on add new and there you go. Don't forget the SEO settings. Don't forget the metadata. Don't forget your featured image, and don't forget to write the description of your featured image. Go through the settings. You can backdate your post and a whole lot of other things you can do from the post or page settings and dashboard. So today's lesson is a quick one, and that will be all. Welcome back from the practical class. I hope you've learned something valuable, and I can't wait to see you in tomorrow's lesson, day 8, where we'll be talking about Elementor. We'll be designing our pages with Elementor. That's when we're going to go deep into really setting up how we want our website pages to look like. So you don't want to miss that. See you tomorrow, day 8, design with Elementor.